When people think about fostering, they often imagine the big moments. The first day, the big conversations, the difficult behaviour. But from lived experience, I can tell you, sometimes it's the smallest things that stay with you the longest. Someone remembering how you like your toast. A lift in the car when nobody forces you to talk. Quiet knock on the door just to say, do you need anything? A dinner table where you slowly stop feeling like a visitor. A bedtime where someone says goodnight and means, I'll still be here tomorrow. This is fostering. It's not being perfect, but being present. It's being patient when trust takes time. It's showing up again, even when the child doesn't know how to let you in. And foster carers don't do this alone. When you foster in your local area, you're part of a local team with support around you. You don't have to have all the answers. You just need to be someone who's willing to stay. Our children need you. If you live in Wales, contact your local Foster Wales team to learn more.